to interview for today. Okay, it's now open. Who would like to question first? Una na lang daw po dito ang ating media friends para mas nakikita ng ating candidates, ng ating mga kings. State your pageant media, your name, and the kings that you would like to answer your questions.
My question is for Las Piñas City, Christian Montiero.
Ay, hindi kita mapansin. Nakikita kita doon.
Hello, good afternoon. Hi, Christian. Thank you. Okay, so this is your second time joining the exact stage pageant.
Yes.
So, why come back? Why the comeback?
Nung nag-start ako last year is pinakapos ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako titigil. Sumali sa King of the World. Wala akong nakupangan. And hindi lang doon. Yung organization, yun talaga yung pinaka gusto ko pa silang mas makasama. Dahil una si David Perez, sobrang bait na tao. And gusto ko yung ugali niya na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon. Yun naman yung pinaka-point namin ng mga kandidato. Na maging inspirasyon sa lahat ng mga kabataan na nangarap. Na ma-build up yung kanilang self-confidence and expose yung kanilang talent. Kaya yung may-ari, yung organization, yun yung binalikan ko talaga. Yun na sa tingin ko.
Very next question. DJ Kaligayahan from Rebuka. You were crowned King of the World Philippines like a little over 2 weeks, am I correct? So, being one of the candidates that have preparation, kamusta on yung preparation? Going here sa competition?
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope we're all having a good time. So yeah, I was crowned a little too late. Yeah, if I must say, I was crowned about 4 days ago, to be exact. And the preparation was really smooth with the help of the organization, with the help of my company that I'm currently employed. I was able to secure a last-minute vacation leave, and then for the organization of the certificate, I'm very thankful and I'm very grateful for all the support that they've given to the families.
Alcohol Calamba, Quezon City, Nueva Ecija, and Mali Santa Rosa. Ay, sorry. Ay, hindi ko sa Santa Rosa na ito. And the last one for Rizal Province. Easy lang to. Hi, Kings of the World, Batch 3. Aside from that very charming and pretty face, what can you offer to this year's batch? And aside from that very charming and pretty face of yours, what can you offer to the third batch of King of the World?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Actually, I joined King of the World Philippines because I want to champion my advocacy, which is the protection of the Mesa watershed. And I believe that through King of the World Philippines, I can raise awareness about environmental protection. Thank you. Because also because it plays a crucial role in advancing the United Nations developmental goals. Thank you.
other than my physical appearance, I joined in this project as this is my first national project to be remembered not just by being an inspiration, but as someone who truly creates a meaningful change. And that is to promote not just my advocacy, but also my purpose. I have my advocacy, and it is about the mental health awareness and suicide prevention. It is deeply personal to me because I have lost my loved ones, my friends, and especially my father. That's why I want to use this platform to promote it and create awareness and open conversations and create spaces where people feel seen, heard, and valued. Lastly, I believe that being a king is not just about the power or the title. It is about the purpose, service, and responsibility. I want to use my voice to inspire and uplift others, not just on the stage, but even outside the stage. I want to show that even if I win the crown, I will still remain humble and grounded in my values and show that no matter how hard it is to get out of your comfort zone, you still have to challenge yourself because in this pageantry, it goes beyond physical appearance. It's about your purpose and leaving a meaningful impact to the people. Thank you.
That's one thing to offer in this project is that advocacy is centered on breaking the stigma surrounding mental health. There's silent voice that everyone carries, and there's one favorite of my favorite fighter is Harry Pim that he said that I would rather hear my friend cry and argue rather than carry that body on my shoulder. And I thank you.
For me, as a King of the World this year, so my advocacy is for the youth empowerment, which is we can help them sa pamamagitan po ng personality development at sports. Kasi dito, malalayo po natin yung mga kabataan sa mga masasamang gawain. Kasi most of the youth is hindi na po nila alam yung path sa buhay nila. So, instead of that, we can help our youth how to grow and how to love to themselves and to the community. Thank you. Thank you for that question. So, generally, I am an advocate for the youth, but I want to make this sound casual. I am 19 years old, the youngest, if not one of the most youngest candidates here in King of the World Philippines. And my values are grounded in advocating and inspiring for the youth. And one thing I can share about myself and to all of you is that despite me being young, one of the things that I can offer to the table as a kid is authenticity. Kasi if we become unique by being authentic, nagpapakatotoo tayo sa sarili natin. And by being honest to ourselves, we show the best version of ourselves. After all, the best version of ourselves is the one that God has given to us. So, I want to inspire to you na keep being unique, keep being yourself, dahil ang hari hindi naaalala sa katawan, isip, o itsura, kundi sa puso at ugali.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Jen Lopez from Catholic Locals, and my question is for candidates from Cabanatuan City,
your advantage to win one of the titles this year?
Good afternoon, everyone. For me, I've joined Survey Museum, led by Carlos, first row. And a lesson that I've learned in that aspect is that you have to have the three attributes. You have to have the heart, the courage, and the purpose. The heart is service. You have to have the heart to give, to serve. And of course, the courage to lead. And the last one is the purpose. The purpose is inspire. Thank you.
Important question. A lesson I've learned in my past pageant is my purpose. We are here as a kings for our purpose to serve for the community. We are here to get inspiration and touch the lives of other people. I believe I will use this national stage to expand my focus to make an impact in the world. Thank you so much.
Hello po, good afternoon. Mga natutulong ko po sa past ng isa. Marami po natutulong kasi binibigyan ko yung 100% best ko po sa lahat po ng aking mga laban. Gusto ko pong mag-step po sa sumali po sa aking opportunities para masubukan ko po yung sarili ko na kung kaya ko ba o kakayanin ko. And naniniwala ako na tingin ko yung kakayanin ko dahil ako yung na-representa ng Kayla kung paano nilaban yung sarili ko sa buong Pilipinas.
My name is Joseph of Nicaraguan, and I would like to follow on Zambales province, Cebu City, and Santa Rosa. So the three of you wears a sash that is a powerhouse in the Philippine pageantry. So may I ask what qualities of each provinces that you wear right now that makes you a powerhouse?
Thank you for the question. I joined this pageant because it goes beyond looks and can you repeat the question, please?
Meron sa Cebu City, bakit lagi silang nananalo sa pageant? Bakit sila tinatawag na powerhouse of pageantry? Pag sinabing Cebu, wow, talagang namalang kayo.
Kasi nag-work hard sila sa mga
Afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the wonderful question. First things first, I think why is the Zambales a powerhouse? It's because people show pride in their character, show strength in our culture, and a genuine care for our people. Through our acts and actions, we show resilience and unity, and the beauty of Zambales is wonderful. That's all, thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. We all know that Santa Rosa de Luna is one of the famous city in the Philippines because of the transparency and accountability of our government. Our mayor, our MCs, would like to take this opportunity to thank my mayor, Arlene BRC, for being a good leader. By the way, she is very good leader. She's hands up to everything that I requested, like police station, or support, this kind of leader is what we need here, not just here in my city, but in the Philippines. Thank you so much.
Alright, to our media friends, thank you to our guests. Due to limited time, we are allowing last 9 questions per media. So one question per media.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Jay from Pageant Red. I'd like to hear the voice of the candidates from Demarao. From San Pablo City. And the last is Delphine Albano from Isabela. I only have a common question to all of you. So my question is, what's the best thing about joining the pageant?
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ang pagsali po sa patimpalak na ganito ay nakakatulong po sa amin upang maimprove ang ating mga sarili. Hindi lang po kundi physical, kundi talent. Nagkakaroon din po tayo ng mga bagong kaibigan. Nagkakaroon din po tayo ng mga bagong koneksyon kung saan magagamit natin. At higit po sa lahat, ang pagsali ng pageant ay nakakataas ng moral. Nakakadagdag rin po ito ng self-confidence dahil kung may pangarap ka, wala pong imposible. Kailangan lang magsipag at syaga. Gagawa po natin. Maraming po salamat.
Para sa akin, ang pinakamahalaga, inatangan ko sa kanila is pagka ang sasabihin sa kanila. Dahil may kakanin ko sa iba. At naniniwala ako na ang disiplina hindi lang isang problema. Hindi isang responsibilidad na dapat natin kaya sa ating sarili. At naniniwala ako na ang disiplina ay mananay sa ating komunidad, ay kalakip itong pagkasa. Kailangan maraming salamat.
First of all, I would like to thank you for the wonderful questions. For me, I think one of the best things in Pageant 3 is being able to show your authenticity, is being able to show your purpose, and to share your thoughts. As a working student, and as I've told a while ago when I introduced myself, I am a representative and an advocate for PWD. I am diagnosed with lazy eye syndrome. Indeed, one of the best things that I learned on being this journey, and one of the biggest that I had is to face my fear. Even though I feel like in the back of my mind, somehow I do not belong in this kind of group or in this kind of competition because of my disabilities. But indeed, I think it is one of the best things that knows me. It makes me stronger, it makes me different, it makes me authentic. Indeed, it makes me able to serve as a light, as an endeavor, as a beacon of light to my co-PWD, that we can be someone, that we can inspire somebody, and we can contribute to the community. Thank you.
I'm Adrian of Magana Page. I have Malolos Kulahan, Kapanakuan, and Quezon Province. Isang tanong lang po ito para sa lahat. Alright? Enjoying this pageant, what makes a true king means to you?
Being a king is being yourself. Kasi wala naman tayo magiging ako sa mundo kung ano yung sarili lang niya. And being the representative of Malolos Bulacan, I know that I carry the resiliency of Malolos people, Bulacanos, our province. And I know being a king is holding the responsibility to take this step forward to be the king himself as the king himself.
Trending for me is very simple. Well, being king is you need to be driven purpose. You need to be compassionate. Of course, you need to inspire everyone. That's thank you.
Thank you so much for the question. I think with that question, it's very subjective when you ask us about what is a king to us. But for me, a king is not always about having a good looks or like how you present yourself. I think a real king is knowing your responsibility as a father, as a son, as a member of the community. It doesn't really matter even if you are feminine in movements, even if you are gay, even if you are as long as you know that you could make a change to the people around you, and you know your responsibility as a person, then you can be considered as a king. Thank you.
Bigay mo dito. Bigay mo isa dito.
Hi everyone. So I'm here from Las Piñas, Parañaque, and Cagayan. Hi, so my question is, what does truly mean king in this world, modern world today? What does king mean truly in this world, modern world today?
Hello everyone. I am Makoy Burangkaway representing the Red Province. Being a king must have characteristics like discipline, purposeful, and I believe that I embodied that characteristics. I lead with compassion, lead with empathy, I stay strong through discipline, and I use my voice to inspire others and to break stigma. As an HIV advocate and a mental health, I believe that my purpose is to inspire others that no matter how hard the life that they can have to us, actually, my advocacy encourages education, compassion, and responsibility. And that's why this is very relating and this is very, thank you.
Ang napapanahong tawag na niya ng isang hari sa ngayon is hindi lang yung simpatya sa kanyang mga nasasakupan, kung hindi yung paglagay ng kanyang paa doon sa kalagayan ng isang sitwasyon ng kanyang karela. Lalo sa panahon natin ngayon na marami nagtataasang bilinin and iba pang mga gastusin is kailangan natin ng isang hari na mas madiskarte, matatag, may dignidad, may paninindigan sa sarili na napapanahon ngayon. Upang nang sa ganon is masolusyonan natin ang problema ng ating bansa. Para sa akin, yun ang pinakakailangan ng hari sa panahon ngayon. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. As you may know, I'm a returning king as well. Aside from the Piñas, I'm also a returning king. And for me, failure doesn't really define you. Actually, as a modern king, and also the characteristics of being a modern king is accepting failure. Because I do believe that true kings show sportsmanship. And that for me is a good characteristic of a modern king. Because failure doesn't define you, it makes you stronger. And I just want to end this answer by redoing my introduction because I know to myself that I messed it up earlier. I don't know why, because maybe coffee does really good, doing good after before you go to this competition. But my name is Kevin Edanio Benito, 24 years old, cum laude graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, a system analyst, and a healthcare advocate.
and a professional model, your King of the World Philippines, Parañaque City.
Guys, hindi tayo sa pang-round na balita, showbiz, intriga at balita. Since we are restrained to ask one candidate, may ask Caloocan to come please forward. Okay, Mr. Caloocan. What is your vision of being a king of the world and how can you be a role model if ever you're gonna win? And since nasa showbiz ako, may plano ka rin ba maging actor or artist sa pagdating ng ano?
Good evening, everyone. As a king that stands here in front of you, I do believe that this crown is not just for design. It has a purpose to respect others and show others how you love them. And as a king that stands in front of you, I want to make sure that all those children and all those loved ones will feel the love that they receive. Thank you.
T-shirt okay pa yung t-shirt.
Yes, this is Miss Lala Pagayuan from Miss Lala Loves Pageantry. So I would like to ask handsome candidate Kawayan. Yes. Hi, Mr. Kawayan. Okay, my question is, how would you impress us that you deserve the title for this pageant?
First, king. First one is being wise. A king needs to be wise because whenever you decide like he needs to decide he needs to decide what needs to be long lasting. And second, a king needs to be dedicated because for me, an ambition without dedication means nothing. And lastly, leadership. And that is the three characteristics that a king should have. And
Very well said.
Afternoon to King of the World. We are equal to My question is, as King of the World, what makes you proud of?
As King of the World, one thing that makes me proud of is my roots. My roots is from a humble family of farmers. I joined the King of the World, especially to gravitate persons and influence my advocacy, which is mental health awareness and traditional masculinity, in which we aim to uplift a positive outlook in life towards inspiring and mobilizing the community into a mutual environmental beliefs. As I believe being a king should always forge competence in any realm of human endeavor. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for
Question is, if you're going to launch one global campaign addressing one pressing issue of the day, what will it be and how will you execute it?
sorry, it's not audible. It's review.
Alright, I'm going to read. Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Alright. If you're going to launch one global campaign addressing one pressing issue of the day, what will it be and how will you execute it?
Pagbibigyan po ako ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng campaign, iaangal ko po ang edukasyon na hindi lamang sa may
kakayanan at ngunit para din sa mga gustong mag-aaral na walang kakayanan. Dahil ang pag-aaral ang taong may pinag-aralan ay kinatatakutan ng mga kurap. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
I'm Sir Gisma from Amazing Pageant Philippines. This is my first time as candidate Kalayaan Laguna, Andre.
Hello.
Kung mananalo ka ngayong taon na King of the World, kanino mo iaalay ang pagkapanalo mo at bakit?
If I were to win King of the World, I guess it has to be my mother and my father, because they're the ones who gave me the strength, they gave me compassion, kindness. You know what? In my experience, I was diagnosed with depression, and my mother and my father was always there to support me, and they showed me love, compassion, and kindness. And with that, I want to honor them if I would be winning the King of the World Philippines. Thank you so much.
Alright, last question. Okay, for media part.
Hello, my name is Mark Manuel from Makisig TV. Therefore, I'm King of the World Manila.
Drex, kay Ferdy dapat. Kay Ferdy.
So my question is, what does being the King of the Philippines mean to you personally?
In a subjective way, we can view king as someone who commands leadership in its people. But personally, for me, a king is someone who owns responsibility and turns obligation into action. And as of the moment, as a king, my obligation is to spread the importance of quality of fundamental education. Actually, we do have a lot of complex contemporary issues that we are able to solve nowadays. But with simple actions that we can be able to do, like teaching people, especially our young generations today, learning how to read, write, and count, then they will be able to elevate their lives, and them themselves can be able to solve those problems that we can be able to solve. And that's the meaning and purpose of a true king. Thank you very much.
And now for our last question, let's have Mr. Ferdinand, the President of Philippine Movie Press.
Hello, good afternoon. Ang tatanungin ko ay walang iba kundi ang King of the World Tarlac and King of the World Bulacan. Touchscreen ng King of the World. Paano nyo ipopromote ang King of the World sa ating mundo o ating Pilipinas? How do you promote?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sa social media influencer, gagamitin ko ang plataforma ito para mas mapalawak ang aking mapalawak ang mas makilala sa buong mundo ang King of the World sa pamamagitan ng aking advokasya na empowerment women and children protection. Dahil dito, mas magiging boses ako ng mas maraming kabataan na hindi katulad ko na hindi nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral.
Thank you.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. And I would win. Sorry, what's the question?
Kapag nanalo ka ngayon taon na to, how do you promote King of the World 2026?
As a graduate of communication,
a student journalist before. I could write stories and narratives through my full potential. I will use this platform, King of the World Philippines, to promote different advocacies, to promote what San Jose is, what Philippines is to the world. And I am here to share a story, to share the story of San Jose. And if I win King of the World Philippines, I will share the story of the Philippines to the world. Thank you.
Thank you very much to our media friends and partners. And the King handled all the questions so well.